Samsung has officially released the teaser for the Galaxy S25 Ultra's Unpacked event, and there's plenty of exciting news to share. From a leaked image showcasing the phone's ultra-thin bezels to pre-order benefits and a major update on Ki 2 wireless charging, the Unpacked teaser features 2 clips focused on Galaxy AI, which Samsung is dubbing your true AI companion. Mark your calendars, it's all happening on January 22nd. Let's take a look.
Hey, when is the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked? Can you put it on my calendar?
What are we watching today? Something that makes us laugh? Makes us cry? Shows us new worlds? Teaches us new things? Or is it something that we've never watched before? Now TV gets to know you, who you are, what you love, so you can explore so much more. Understand things in new ways. Let your imagination go wild. Made just for you, and you, and you. This isn't just a new television, it's a whole new vision. Because the TV of tomorrow isn't about what's on. It's about who's watching.
Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.